Yeah. I think the happiness avatar I have on is scary enough.
I do not see you in my helicopter.
This is scarier than doors.
Right there, you know. Alright.
Ah! He's not chasing me. Ah! He is chasing me! No! He passed the room.
You have to get out of there.
Just past my room. Ah! Oh god, I'm dead.
Close it, close it, close it.
We closed it. Okay.
This is the bedroom.
Ah! Oh my fucking god. Oh, dude, that scared me. Oh, we gotta.
I'm good at puzzles.
Here we go.
I'm good at puzzles.
I sending power to the lab. He's coming. We gotta juke him. He's not coming in.
Corbin, just do this.
I'm assuming you faked that.
No, I didn't.
Dude, that's how you, what did you, that's how you scream? Come on.
No, that's like my actual, like, terror scream.
Dang. That seems... it's not clear, I'm dead.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. An absolute Giga Chad play by me.
Yeah, yep, have a good day. Have a good fucking day. Oh my god, I'm out.
I hate you. I hate
Bro, I just see your corpse hovering. He's still there, kid. I told you he was still there. I opened the door. I'm gonna take a run into the bedroom. You try it. You
no,
go.
no, no. Leroy Maggots. No, thank you.
I can scream like a girl. Okay, you're gonna make another Leroy Maggot, okay? Once I say go.
No, it's Leroy Jenkins.
Okay, you're gonna make
I'm
another.
ready, coach. Put me in, coach.
Okay, coach. We're gonna wait first. Go for it.
Leroy!
Yeah. Have fun.
Oh wait, I see him.
He's after me, bro. He's after me. I'm dead. No, that's the research room. Lab. Oh my god. 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 Did you die again? I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I might not post this on YouTube actually, but I'm probably just gonna keep it into my files for memories.